Want to upload videos from gallery to Reels? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to upload videos from the gallery to Reels on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on Reels. Here, it will show you all the pictures and videos from your gallery. Choose the video that you want to upload. Now you can add music, add text, stickers, effects, or even download the edit. Tap on Next after you're satisfied at the bottom right. Here you can add caption. After you're satisfied, tap on Share at the bottom right. And that is how to upload video from gallery to Instagram Reels. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.